Yo, what is up, everyone? We are back on live now. Really appreciate you all for tuning back into the live stream. And yes, before you tune into the live stream, please remember, not financial advice. Yes, you all have to do your own research. Alright, so as of now, let's get straight to it. I'm looking for some end-of-day trades. As of right now, let's go ahead and tell the team members that we are on live now. One second here. TikTok. Live. No. Alright, so as of right now, let's get straight to it. Looks like we are in a bit of chop here. So basically, yes, you know, the stocks are pretty much going back and forth, not showing me anything that I am liking here. Personally, what I am waiting for, so I am waiting for a few trades here. I do want to go over them, possibly find a smaller time frame up to go by. Hold on one second here. Let's see. Alright, so right now, let's get straight to it. Yo, Millie, what's up? Yo, Liv, thanks for liking the live stream. Thank you so much for pulling up. Alright, so my current one, what I was looking at, okay, dude, I did see OKLO as well, man. And yes, I'm in a different room right now, so that's pretty much it. We're here. Yo, Liv, thanks for the gift. Really appreciate it. Yeah, the chop is pretty crazy. What I'm waiting for that I like, so if I don't see anything, then I personally won't be taking a trade unless we can find a good entry. What I like here, so same thing here. Yo, Potter Stocks, thanks for the Dizzy Bird. Really appreciate it. Everyone can give Potter Stocks PBS a follow right now. We're using the Potter Box. As you can see in most of my videos. Yo, thanks for the gift, man. Really appreciate it. Hope you're having a good one today. So yeah, as of right now, yes, buyers did end up taking control of this floor. I wish I would have gotten in, but it was pre-market, you know, when that happened. What I see here next, though, we do have a clear move up of no consolidation that I would love to take to the downside. So as of right now, we do have this clear push up, no consolidation. Let me go ahead and turn this down one more notch. We do have a bottom wall, so hold on. Let's go ahead and get rid of all this so you can see exactly what I'm looking at. So yes, top wall, also bottom wall here. So this bottom wall here that I'm seeing, basically points of contact. And yes, there is 2 points of contact at the same exact level. This is where price is having a hard time getting under. If we end up breaking underneath that wall there, I do not see any resistance until, boom, this red candle there. So that looks really, really decent. A lot of these trades I will be looking forward to. So yes, top wall, bottom wall there, inside the middle looks really good. So yes, what do we have here now? Clear move up. This is exactly what I want to the downside. As of right now, we are pretty much, you know, in consolidation. So there's no trade that I would want to take now except for just to wait. And yes, from the entry to the exit, the middle of the move, we have the empty space that we like. So yes, am I going to get into this trade right now? Absolutely not. I'm going to wait for a good entry for this one. It doesn't look bad though. So that is on the cues. Possibly if I want to go down to a 5-minute, a lower time frame, I definitely can. Yo, Pato, what's up? HTZ? Yep, gotcha, bro. No worries. So yeah, it looks like there is still some empty space here on the 5-minute. Personally, I would want to wait for a lower time frame trade, or a higher time frame trade for this. So let's go to SPY 2. We'll pull up pretty much every single time frame, every play, as well. One second here. One second. One second. All right, so as of right now for SPY, let's go over this. I think we had something here on a higher time frame. So yes, and we'll go over pretty much everything. I know you guys want to see PLTR, Tesla, all that good stuff. So yeah, we'll go over everything as well. Okay, so for this at least, so on a 1 hour chart, it looks really good. Hold on, give me a second here. I do see what on a, hold on, let's see, 10 minute, there is, so we're pretty much tapping into this empty space above us. This doesn't look bad. So yes, there's empty space here. Personally, it looks like we did end up missing this move. But what I see here on a 1 hour chart, and yes, I get it, we're all the way at this 578 area. There's nothing that I would want to do here. But we also see this, or at least I see this. We see a clear move down of no consolidation. This is exactly what I would want to take to the upside. Obviously, what would I need here? We would need a top and bottom wall. Yo, thanks for the follower. Appreciate it. Yo, Yuli, thanks for liking the live stream. Good to see you. So yes, top wall, bottom wall there. And obviously we know about the early punchback entry. But there is a top wall that is having a hard time getting over this level. You can see I'm using body wick and 2 points of contact. So 3 points of contact altogether. If we end up breaking and closing above this wall, above this line here, I'm looking for the next resistance. Personally, for me, I don't see any resistance to boom, this green candle here. So yeah, this looks really, really good. From the top wall to the bottom wall in the middle, it looks really, really decent. And XYZ, yeah, we'll go over that too. I think it was what, last week? There was a great play on XYZ. I think it was either last week or the week before that. So yeah, we'll pretty much go over everything as well. So yeah, it looks really, really decent. As of right now, we are currently trying to make our way back up into the box. So once we do that, I would love for us to actually go up to the upside. So looks really good, just not right now. I'm just gonna wait. But yeah, it looks pretty decent. Can't lie. And yes, in my Discord, we have the same setups each day. We don't change anything at all. You can literally look at all of my setups, what we do here. Like for Pep, we caught this, what, yesterday, clear move down. We end up targeting to the downside. I know my screen is looking a little bit weird, but yes, if you can see, if you want to look at what we do here inside the Discord, link is in the bio. You can see, look at the games page. You can see what trades we caught this week, how well we did on them. But yeah, you can see everything, link in the bio. All right, so let's see. So we did SPY. Let's go to XYZ really quickly. XYZ, and yeah, let's see if there's another play on here that looks really good. So yeah, let's break this one down. Let's go to a higher time frame, and then we'll go to a lower time frame. So 24 hour. Oh man, okay, so this looks really good, and I would be honest, I've seen or I see that there is. So at some point in time, obviously not right now, but at some point in time, there will be this empty space move that looks really good to the upside. We do have a top wall there. Nice bottom wall here. So at some point in time, I definitely will be looking forward to this play. Yes, we have a top wall that needs to be broken above. If we end up breaking above that level there, I personally don't see any resistance until, boom, this green candle here. And yes, what I do, I target candles with no consolidation. This is exactly what I want to do. So boom, yes, from the top wall to the bottom wall, inside the middle, we have the empty space. That looks really good. Yo, Millie, what's up? Yeah, you want to see, so SMCI and CRWV. Yeah, no worries. Good to see you once again. So that looks really good. That's the top move that I would wait for on a 1 hour. Can we break it down as well? We obviously can. Doesn't look like we'll, get this one, at least not right now. But yes, what do I see here as well? And yes, we'll break it down, of course. So 1 second here. We do have Yuli, what's up? IWM, yeah, we'll go over that as well. So yes, top wall, bottom wall here. Under us, so we do have two body candles closing directly at the same line, directly at the same wall. If we end up breaking underneath that level there, I don't see any resistance until, boom, this red candle there. What broker are you using? So, what broker do I use? Oh, so I use, I have Webull and I also have TradeStation. TradeStation will be more for my swings. Webull is pretty decent too. I do still have Robinhood, so yes, that, sometimes I'll play it, but I definitely try to stay away from RH as great as I can. So yeah, that's pretty much it for me. But and yes, just be careful of the brokers you use as well. If you know, you know. All right, so that was on XYZ. That looked really good. Yo, Ryan, Chris, yep, no worries. We'll go with that too as well. So hold on, CRWV. Let me pull. I'll just pull up all these. IWM, got you, Yuli as well. Let's see. CRSP. Let's take a look here. And also, I'm reading the chats, just making sure we're all good as well. Those are. Hold on. Well, all right. Hold on one second here. Rug Reality is dropping some gems inside the chat right now. Yeah, no worries, no worries. So, so same thing. It doesn't matter which time frame. It doesn't matter which chart I'm on. I'm looking for the same play each and every day. So as you can see here, so let's take a look here. We do have empty space. So, I do want to break this down on a lower time frame. So even this looks really good. Are you not watching SPY? So yeah, we'll look at SPY too. Let's take a look. And yes, if you want to join the Discord, link is in the bio. We do this every single day. Obviously, we mainly take trades at the end of the day. So the last hour is when we mainly swing trade. So yes, we do try to find a couple day trades. Obviously, most of our trades this week has hit during the day. But yes, link is in the bio for the Discord if anyone wants to join up. But yeah, this looks really good. I do have, or if you don't want to join the Discord, I will be live every single day. Doesn't matter if I'm sick, whatever, I will be on live, going over trades too. All right, so as of right now, it looks like, so yeah, it looks good. It looks amazing. But we are still stuck in consolidation. There's just nothing that I would want to do here, except for just to wait. So yes, we do have this clear move down with no consolidation that I would love to the upside. So in order for us to actually wanting to take this, I would need a break over my top wall. And as you can see, there's not a top wall that we can break unless if we can get above this. And yes, all of my plays will look exactly like. I wish I could show you, but it looks like it's gonna, my charts are gonna look weird. But yes, if you want to see this type of work that we do, just go to the games page. You can see all my charts. You can see how well we do on them, and we wait for the higher time frame trades for everything. Yo, thanks so much for the follows. Really appreciate it. So IWM. So we did crisp. We'll do CWRV or CRWV. So let's see. Let's go to a 2 hour. All right. So it looks like. Hold on. All right. So it looks like, yeah, we ended up. So same thing here. Yo, thanks for sharing the live stream. Really appreciate it. So yes, we do have this clear move up of no consolidation. We had a wall that we needed to break below. Look what happened. We ended up breaking below this wall, letting us into the empty space. Personally, if we want a new entry on this one, I personally would love to go down to a lower time frame and try to find something that looks good. So this right here, even this looks good. Looks like we did end up punching back through this wall here. So hold on. So top wall there, bottom wall here. If we break above this wall, I would love the empty space up to here. And yes, this would have been a liable trim there too as well. So it looks really good if we could keep breaking above. Obviously, no, not telling you guys to buy anything. So please do your own research, not financial advice. So yes, you all have to do your own research. Crowd, yo, Ryan, yeah, no worries. Let's do it, man. So yeah, CrowdStrike. And also IWM, Yuli, I got you. So for this one, or I've been waiting for this one for the past 2 days, I believe. And let's go ahead and break this one down. So it's going to be the same exact thing that we're seeing, that we're, looking forward to. And yes, each trade is going to look exactly alike. First thing that I see here that, really caught my mind here, was we saw a clear move down of no consolidation. Yes, this small move, this clear sell-off. This right here, let alone, is exactly what I would want to the upside. Obviously, what do we need here? In order for us to take this empty space above, we would need a top wall and also a bottom wall. So this top wall that I'm seeing here, of course, one second here. Give me a sec. All right, so yes, we have a top wall, and we'll go over why I chose my top wall, why I chose the bottom wall. And the top wall is going to be very, very important, our main wall that needs to be broken. As you can see here. Dude, I really like IWM. this is something I really like. I do see a couple other ones, but we're still in a little bit of chop as well. Yo, Liv, what's up? Tesla, yeah, no worries. Yo, Danny, good to see you too as well, man. So yes, if we end up breaking and closing above this top wall here, I'm looking for the next area of consolidation. And for me personally, I don't see any consolidation until, boom, this green candle here. So yes, top wall, bottom wall, inside the middle. Oh, wait, messed that box up. All right, yeah, we're good. So yeah, this looks really decent. Obviously, we are in consolidation. There's just nothing to do except for just to wait. If we see, so yes, from the entry to the exit, the middle of the move is going to be what we want. So yes, I've been waiting on this one for what, like 2 days. So once I get it, I do like trading IWM, or at least I fell in love with it. Wednesday we caught the biggest play in the Discord on IWM. If you want to see what we did inside the Discord on IWM, you can look at the games page in my Discord. So yes, link is in the bio for that as well. Thanks, bro. Yeah, appreciate it so much, man. Shout out to Danny. Yuli, no worries. Good to see you. RDDT. Oh yeah, I think I saw something on there too. Hold on. So crowd, we'll go over here too. We'll do this. I'll just pull all these up too as well. Hold on. RDDT, we'll pull that up. Yeah, we're gonna do pretty much everything as well. And Tesla, yep. Got you, Liv. Let's pull this up so I don't forget. All right, so yeah, IWM looks good. I'm waiting on that. Doesn't look bad at all. Yo, Thick Stars, what's up? What's up? Good morning. Good to see you. Good to see you on this Friday. We have a 3-day weekend. Honestly, I don't want a 3-day weekend, but I will enjoy it for sure. All right, hold on. Give me a second here. All right, so actually, we'll go start on a higher time frame. So it looks like, yeah, it looks like we did end up targeting into some empty space above us. That looked really good. Doesn't look like there will be anything to stop us if we can break above this 54.51 area. But on a lower time frame, let's see. And HTC, yep, Prado, yep, no worries, my bad. Let me, I'll pull that up too as well. Obviously on a lower time frame, we can obviously break this one down too. Personally, yes, I see empty space here. There is some more here. And yes, we do have a top wall, bottom wall here. So as of right now, it looks like we're still in this consolidation zone, consolidation area. So yeah, either two things are going to happen. Either we break outside this wall, we continue up, or we break below this one, and we could go down and tap into the empty space. So yeah, this looks really good. Not bad at all. 1 second here. HTZ, yo, thanks for the follow, really appreciate it. So as of right now, hold on. Will you swing trade because it's a 3-day weekend? So yes, we mainly swing trade inside the Discord, but for the 3-day weekend, any of my swing trades will be a lot lighter than usual. I definitely see a couple good ones. So yeah, if I see a good play, I definitely will swing it, but it will be very, very light. I do like to have fresh starts on Mondays. But yeah, most of the, trades that we take over the weekend, they end up doing very well. So yeah, I'll definitely have a light position if I do find something as well. But yeah, if I ever all my entries that I, especially if you're in my Discord, when it comes to Friday, I'll tell the team, yes, if I see a good setup, I definitely will take it. I will take it and I will swing it. And you can see that, I think I forgot which week it was. I think it was either Monday or last week or something. We had like 3 trades that hit, and that was a fresh, good start. So that's pretty much it for me. All right, so for Tesla, this is what I'm seeing here. This looks absolutely amazing. This looks really good. And yeah, looks like we're in chop too. What I see here that looks absolutely good that I like, I do see this. So there is this clear move up of no consolidation that I would love. Oh, hold on. That I would love to take to the downside. As you can see, there is a bottom wall that needs to be broken in order for us to target into this downside. So yes, as of right now, am I going to do anything? Absolutely not. I would want to wait for a break under this 331 area in order for us to target to this downside. So yeah, it looks really good. Just gonna have to wait. And yes, if my trades are in consolidation, there's just nothing I would want to do except for just to wait. So yeah, I would just need a break underneath the wall to target to the downside. So yeah, it doesn't look bad here. 1 second here. All right, so let's keep going. Yeah, no worries, Liv. Thank you so much for pulling up to the live stream once again. So yeah, personally, you know, if I don't see any day trades or if we're going to chop all day, then I'm just going to wait for my end of day swings, which we mainly focus on. RDDT, so Reddit. Yo, Danny, thanks for sharing the live stream. Really appreciate it. All right, so as of right now, would you swing UNH? Hold on 1 second here. Yo, Glock and Yuli, thanks for sharing the live stream. Really appreciate it. So hold on 1 second here. HTZ, so got you, Pato. 1 second. HTZ will do that. That is not HTZ. All right, so we got that HTZ as well. We'll also pull up what UNH. We'll do that. So yeah, we'll pretty much do everything as well. Would you consider swinging it? All right, so Reddit first. So this was the play that I was looking at earlier. I just didn't really like the contracts, but this right here looks really, really good. So what do I see here? And yes, all the plays are going to look exactly alike. We don't change anything at all. As you can see here, 1 second. Let's see. And also, I have to pull up Tesla on the 5 minute too. So we do have this. And you know, we already have the box here. You know what? We'll break it down. We'll break it down from scratch. So I want to show you my whole thought process. We have a clear move down, no consolidation, that I would love to take to the upside. Obviously, what do I need here? I need a top wall and a bottom wall. So you can see there is a top wall that these candles are having very hard time getting above. So yes, top, bottom wall there. So this top wall that I'm seeing, you can see two body candles closing directly at the same line. This is where price is having a hard time getting over. So if we end up breaking above this top wall, I don't see any resistance until, boom, this green candle there. And yeah, this really looks good. This looks absolutely amazing. And yes, if we end up breaking and closing above this wall, it looks decent. Obviously, no, I'm not telling you guys to buy anything, so please do your own research. Not financial advice. So yes, you all have to do your own research. From the entry to the exit, the middle of the move will be my end balance. This is where price can end up reversing. As you can see here, we are toying with this wall. So yes, buyers control this bottom floor. Sellers control this top floor. So yes, buyer's job is to keep price pushing up. Seller's job is to keep price pushing down. As you can see, sellers is trying their best to keep price pushing down because they know that what lies ahead. And yes, we have empty space that lies ahead that looks really, really good. As of right now, it looks really decent. So if we can end up breaking above that wall, it doesn't look bad at all. So I think, yeah, even the 1 hour lines up perfectly. Looks like we punched back on this wall. Looks really, really good. So I'm just going to wait on that. Obviously, no, I'm not telling you guys to get into anything. I am not telling you guys to buy anything. So please do your own research. All right, UNH. Let's take a look here. And you can see that one of my other plays did end up hitting. So let's look here. And yes, guys, please remember, not financial advice. You all have to do your own research. I'm not saying guys to buy anything, so please do your own research as well. Yo, what's up, my guy? How are you, man? Good to see you. So yeah, as of right now, you can see we clearly had this empty space. We had a bottom wall that needed to be broken. If we end up breaking below this wall here, which we did, we broke it below, we tapped it to the downside. But you know what? Let's get rid of all this. Let's look for a new entry. Personally, now though, what I see, let's see. Boom, we have, so same thing. Clear move down, no consolidation. We do have this top wall. So nice top wall. Nice bottom wall here. So above us, so right above us, so as you can see, we have 2 body candles. So yes, there's 2 body candles closing directly at the same price. And once we end up breaking above this wall here, I am looking for the next resistance. And personally for me, I don't see any resistance until boom, this green candle here. Obviously, yes, this could be it, but I do like this empty space to the upside. So yes, from the entry to the exit, the literal middle of the move is going to be exactly what I like. Obviously, am I going to do anything now? Absolutely not, because why? We are in consolidation. So yes, if we are stuck in consolidation, I am not taking any trades. But once we break outside of it, I would love that to the upside. That looks really good. Also, what I see here as well. So yes, we do have that move, and that looks really good. But what I see here, that looks a lot better. We do have, shout out to Glock, man. Really appreciate you pulling up to the live stream once again. So we had this little empty space, but look here. Just take a little glance of what we have there. So yeah, this looks really good. So we have a clear, easy sell-off that I would love to take to the upside. So if we do end up breaking above this wall, so yes, we have. So yes, obviously we know about the early punchback entry, but yes, once we end up breaking and closing above the wall, I don't see any resistance until, wow, that's crazy, up to here, which is absolutely wild. So right now, we're just going to take it one step at a time. I personally like this empty space here. That looks really good. And yes, this can also be another box. So yeah, it looks really good. So we're not trading inside of consolidation. So if we're inside the box, there's no trade. But once we break outside the box, that's exactly when I would want to take the trade there. So yeah, right now, personally, yes. Obviously, I know I'm repeating myself 1,000 times, but yeah, inside of consolidation, I do not want to take anything. I just want to wait for that. Yeah, no worries, man. I really appreciate it for pulling up to the live stream. If you have any other questions, just let me know. I'll be here. If you want to join the Discord, ask questions there. Obviously, we have the free chat. If you have any questions, just feel free to drop them in the general chat. Either I will answer it or my moderators will. Thanks for liking the live stream as well. All right, so hold on. HTZ. Hold on, give me a second. Where's this top wall located? Okay, the location of this top wall looks good. Can you go over CELH? Yep, no worries. We'll go over that too as well. Let's pull that up so I don't forget. CELH. Let's do it. And yes, if you want to see what we did this week inside the Discord, and yes, we mainly swing traded at the end of the day. You can look at the games page. You can look at the testimonials. You can even ask the members what we do here. So yeah, now, can I go over Elf? Yo, Sai, what's up? Yeah, I can definitely do that as well. Hold on, let's pull. So HTZ, we'll go over this first, and then we'll go over everything else. So CLH, you want to see that, and Elf, yeah, let's do that as well. ELF, let's do it. Perfect. So right now, hold on. Oh, let's break all this down. Break all that down. So HTZ as well. All right, so for this one right here, this is what I'm seeing that looks really good. So one second here, let's lock in. So yeah, this looks good. This looks decent. So what do I see here? Same exact thing. We do have this clear move down, no consolidation. This is exactly what I would want to the upside. Obviously, what would I need here, or what do I need? We need, hold on one second here. Top wall, bottom wall here. And this top wall that I'm seeing that looks really good. Hold on one second here. Let's make sure we're not interfering with any other walls. One second. Yeah, hold on one second, guys. I'll read comments in a second. Yeah, we have the top wall there. All right, yeah, we're good. All right, so yeah, this looks really good. This looks really decent. So same thing here. We do have empty space. So a clear move down of no consolidation that I would love to take to the upside. If we end up breaking above this wall here, I don't see any resistance until boom. This green candle there. Yes, what is this? Another box. So no, we aren't trading inside of consolidation. We're trading to consolidation. So as you can see, where there is candles with no consolidation, that's exactly what I want. Yo, good morning, Hoove. Good to see you, man. Dang, it is the morning time, isn't it? It's 11. All right, cool. Yo, JR, thanks for the gifts, man. Love you so much, too. Really appreciate it. So yeah, as of right now, Yeah, that looks really good. XYZ, did we not do that? I'm not sure. I think we did. All right, yo. All right, yeah, we'll definitely do that as well. Hold on. CLH and Elf. We'll do that too. All right, so as of right now, what I see here, and okay, maybe I see something. Possibly I see something here. 24 hour. Okay, so 24 hour. I don't like anything that I'm looking at. So yes, we'll go down to a lower time frame and we'll break it down. Let's see, 1 hour. I do like this 2 hour a little bit better. I will be honest. All right, yeah, got it. We got it. I was just looking at it, making sure I was looking at the right thing. Yeah, we're good. Yeah, perfect. All right, so yeah, this looks good. This looks absolutely amazing. It looks like here, yes, we do have empty space. So a clear move down of no consolidation. It looks like, yes, we have a top wall there. Nice top. There's a bottom wall here. So it looks like we're punching back through. So we ended up punching back through this wall. Would love to see us breaking above our top wall into the empty space. So yes, what is the empty space that I'm looking at? There is no resistance until I see this green candle here. So yes, in the middle, we have the empty space that we like. It looks really, really good. Doesn't look bad at all. So as of right now, from the entry to the, entry to the exit, the middle of the move is going to be my first stop. So my first, well, hold on, not me to do that. There we go. All right, so yes, this looks really good. We are still in consolidation. So once we end up breaking outside this wall here, I do like this upside. So yeah, this looks really, really good. Just gonna have to wait on that. Doesn't look bad though. All right, so Elf, let's take a look here. And yes, inside of my Discord, we look at the same trades each day. We mainly swing trade. So yes, at the last hour is when we mainly take our swings. But yes, if you want to see what we do here, I wish I could show you on here, but yes, link is in the bottom for the Discord. We have the free chat and also the VIP chat. VIP chat is where we give signals and a lot more information, a lot more education there as well. Hold on one second. All right, so right now, and yes, if you're in my VIP chat right now, the mods are actually giving out some valuable information right now. Pretty wild. All right, so one second here. So as right now for Elf, my bad guys, looking at the chat, the mad scientist. All right, so it looks like, so yes, there is still empty space above us that looks really good. Looks like there was this top wall that ended up breaking above. So this was my first wall here. So we had a top wall there. We ended up breaking above this wall, targeting to this empty space. So we broke above. It's just going to be like a very, very slow move. Personally, yes. What do we have? We have empty space. This looks absolutely amazing. Doesn't look bad at all. We do have it. But I want to break this down on a lower time frame to see if we can have a good play. So for, if it's an earnings play, I definitely would just wait. If it were me, at least I like the empty space upside. So as of right now, I may just hold off. I do not want to get into this trade as of right now, just because this is also another area of consolidation. But yeah, if we end up breaking above this wall here, we have empty space upside, so that looks really good. So yeah, it looks really, really amazing. It looks absolutely amazing. But as of right now, there's just nothing that I would want to personally do at this second at least. But yeah, it looks good. I definitely will say it looks really, really good. So for XYZ, so yeah, I think we did go over this. So for the bigger time frame move, and I do like this move a lot. So as you can see here, and yes, my Discord, we don't change anything. We mainly take our trades at the end of the day, so the last hour. Obviously, I know it sounds crazy. Why in the world would you wait the whole entire day to get into swing trades? It's because we're looking at a 24-hour candle. We are waiting for quality trades. as of right now, yo, no worries, no worries. Good to see you. So yeah, if you have any other questions, feel free to drop them as well. All right, so as of right now, we have this clear move down of no consolidation. If we end up breaking above this wall here, this 65 area, there is lots of empty space to this upside. That looks absolutely amazing. So as of right now, do not want to take a trade except for just to wait. Let's go. Oh, actually, I did not want to. Let's go ahead and break this one down as well. So I think we had this on a 1 hour. Yeah, 1 hour, I believe. So yeah, this is what I charted next. That looks really good, that I personally will be waiting for. And yes, same exact thing here, guys, gals. Same exact thing. So yes, we do have this clear move up of no consolidation. So yes, this clear, easy move up that, yes, I would love to take to the downside. So we have a bottom wall that needs to be broken. 2 body candles closing directly at the same price. And if we end up breaking under this wall here, this 54 area, I don't see any resistance until, boom, this 52 area. So yeah, this looks really good. Personally, I will be waiting for this trade because looks like we are still in a big blur. So we're just in an area of consolidation that I just don't want to be a part of. And yes, for all of my trades, you can see, obviously you can, wish, the charts wasn't like this, but let's take a look. Pepsi. If we are, so this is clear move up, we break below the wall. If we are in consolidation, there's no trade. We break outside of it. We called this yesterday. We caught some Google yesterday. You can see the before, aftermath. We also call it IWM. So yes, before, in the box, no trade. We break outside the box. We end up trying to the downside. So yes, this is in the games page. You can see, obviously, yes, you would have to look through this yourself if you want to see what the members and I do here. Yes, we go over trades, and this is how we do it. This is how I call out trades inside my VIP Discord. So yes, link is in the bio for pretty much everything as well. Yes, sir. So yeah, best trade of the week. Yeah, let's pin that comment. Shout out to Danny. So Danny's a part of the team as well. So personally, I think IWM was the best. For me at least. So we had IWM, we had DG went absolutely amazing. Yeah, we had quite a lot of good ones. So yes, we focus on the bigger time frame trades. I don't give a crap about the 1 minute time frame. I don't care about, the smaller time frame. Obviously, maybe I take a light day trade on a small time frame, which is fine. But I do like to go to the higher time frames for better trades. Yeah, we had DLO too. Oh, dude, you missed DG. Oh, wow. So yeah, we had a whole bunch. So and those are mainly swing trades we had to hold overnight. But yeah, DLO that was a great trade, man. That was a really good trade that we did end up having. All right, for SPY, I think someone asked about this one. Okay. So this doesn't look bad here. So we do have. I do like this a lot. So let's go to the 15-minute. Yo, JJ, thanks for the follows. Really appreciate it. So as of right now, this is what I'm seeing that looks fairly decent. So let's take a look here. So yes, we do have this clear move down of no consolidation. This is exactly what I would want to the upside. Obviously, what do we need here, guys and gals? So yes, where there is no candles interfering with each other, this is consolidation. We don't want it. This right here, this is no consolidation. So this is exactly what I would want to the upside. Obviously, yes, we would need nice top wall, nice bottom wall here as well. And so yeah, we end up breaking above this wall. So yes, this top wall is very important. So this is a Potter box. Buyers control the bottom floor here, and sellers control the top. So sellers' job is to keep price pushing down. And they're doing a very good job keeping price down. But we would need a break outside of our wall in order for us to target into the empty space. So if we do end up doing that, I am looking for the next resistance. And personally for me, I don't see any resistance until boom, this green candle here. And yes, I am targeting another area of consolidation. So boom, as you can see, yeah, looks really good. This looks really decent. As of right now, One second here, one second here. Yes, we do have inside the middle from the entry. Yes, so from the entry to the exit, the literal middle of the move is going to be our inbound. So the inbounds basically means this is where price can end up reversing. So let's just say, obviously no, there's no entry right now. You all have to do your own research. If we end up breaking and closing above this top wall here, and we go up, so let's just say we got in, we're going up, we touched my first TP. And this is where I trim, this is where I sell most of my contracts, leaving the runners, so the last contracts that I didn't end up cutting, all the way up to the empty space. And yes, we have break-even stop losses. So if I do have to get out, so let's just say we're going up and it somehow comes back down into the box, I'm going to get out. That's because, one second here. That is because, you know, this is where sellers have control. So sellers are going to have control of this level. And if we go back inside of this box, inside of this wall, I do not want to be in the trade. And I can always re-enter. So yes, especially if I, you know, take a day trade as well. I definitely would love to have the upside. But yes, I can always stop out and re-enter if it doesn't work out. And yes, we're looking for the, you know, bigger time frame gains as well. So yeah, that does look really good. Hold on. Yeah, RDDC, we couldn't close above, but if we can hold above, that looks really decent. So yeah, same thing here. We do have VZ. So VZ actually hit my first TP this morning. It just shot up, you know, really fast, so that's why the contracts were a little bit messed up. But yeah, VZ, let's see. We'll pull that up too. One second here. Not meaning to change that. All right, so yo, Dawson, what's up? What's up? Good to see you, man. Good to see you. So yeah, we'll put pretty much everything up as well. My guy, Dawson, my guy, good to see you. Oh man, I gotta get my charger. My my Mac is still going to end up turning off if I don't charge it. So yes, you can see this take profit. So we did hit the first TP this morning. So this is where, you know, price ends up reversing. And let's look here. We ended up breaking above the wall. Obviously, yes, we ended up gapping above, which messed up the contracts a little bit. But yes, we ended up going back to the downside, touching into this downside here. So yeah, as of right now, there's just nothing that I would want to do. Still looks really good. May have to just give it some time. Still valid though. All right, so yeah, SPY, you can see we're in the empty space, or we're not in the empty space, we're in the consolidation. So we're just gonna have to wait on that as well. And yes, I would want to wait for a break or a clear hold above for this empty space above us. All right, yes, guys, give me a second. I got to get my charger. You can see the top right corner. My MacBook is about to turn off. But yes, if you want to join the Discord, if you want to be a part of the team, link is in the bio. We have you know, the free chat and also the VIP Discord as well. So yes, link is in the bio for everything. But give me 1 second, guys. Give me 1 second. I got to get my charger before my MacBook ends up turning off. Yo, what's up, guys? I'm back. I swear I'm here. I gotta plug this in really quickly. Where do I plug this in? Actually, hold on. Give me a second. All right, yeah, let's plug this in really quickly. Perfect, perfect. Let's see. Got you. Cool, cool, cool. Turn that off. Oh yeah, we're good, we're good, we're good. All right, so now let's get straight to it. My bad, guys. I swear I'm here. I'm here. All right. As of right now, so as of right now, let's go. Let's get straight to it. Let me read all the comments. Yo, Hoof, thanks for trading live. Really appreciate it. Ryan, thanks for the follow. What do you think about crowd strikes? Yeah, we'll go over that too as well. Thoughts on NU. All right, so as you can see, we still have empty space. We would need a closure above this wall here into the empty space. So right now, I'm not, obviously, no, I'm not telling you guys to get into anything. So please do your own research, not financial advice. SPY looks really decent. Looks like we are still in this consolidation area. So yes, if we are in consolidation, I do not want to take a trade. I want to wait. And yes, if you're in my Discord, obviously my members know this by now. Like, yes, we have setups. I want to call out trades every single second, but we wait for quality setups because we're waiting for the bigger reward. Obviously, you can see what we did this week inside the Discord just by going to the games page. You can scroll through and just pretty much see everything. You can see we wait. So this is a good move. Now I think this is on Monday, Tuesday or something. We had a clear move up of no consolidation that I wanted to the downside. We had a box, a Potter box, a bottom wall that needed to be broken in order for us to take this to the downside. We ended up breaking below the wall, targeting to the downside. So yeah, play worked out great. But we were waiting all day for this trade to happen. So once I seen it into consolidation, I don't care about it. I go do whatever. I go, enjoy my day. But once I have my alert set. Once I see it breaking below my level, this is when I tell the team members, okay, guys, it's time. So boom, we end up breaking outside the wall. We go down a tap. So in consolidation, no trade. We break outside of consolidation. We want to take the trade. So that's pretty much it. Obviously, we mainly take swing trades at the end of the day, though. So it looks like SPY is trying to make its way up here. A lot of these trades are. So yeah, we'll have to see with it pretty much everything. And yes, in my Discord, we don't change anything at all. All my setups are going to look exactly alike. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Hold 1 second here. All right, so as you can see, let's keep going. Let's look at, I do want to look at the Qs too. QQQ, that's not the Qs. All right, the Qs, let's take a look here. Thoughts on NU. Okay, I got to do NU too. So the Qs I've been waiting on pretty much all day for that trade. So NU, let's do that as well. Looks like Reddit holding above nicely. All right, so now let's go to a 24 hour. So yes, we mainly swing trade on a, oh man. What are your thoughts on was that a broker? I think that is a broker. I personally have never used it, but I think a few of my members actually use it in my Discord. But me, I don't personally. All right, so let's take a look here. Why is my chart doing this? 1 second. 1 second. So anyways, let's see. All right, yeah, we're good. Yeah, we're cool. All right, I don't know why. Hold on, I gotta unplug this really quickly. Please do crowd strike. Yeah, no worries. We'll do that as well. I think we did it earlier, but yeah, we'll do it again. No worries. Once this wants to not lag on me, that would be great. All right, cool. 8% left. I'll be fine. All right, so NU crowd strike. So I think that's what, CRWD. Yeah, perfect. Yeah, we're good now. And Tesla, yeah, no worries. JF, yeah, I got you. What, Tesla? Let's pull that up too. Oh, it looks like Reddit's trying to make its move. This is upside. 1 second here. Give me a sec. Hold on. Would be a clear break over that 5 minute if we get above there. So that's where these candles are having a hard time getting above. All right, so CrowdStrike, Tesla. Doesn't look bad though. All right, so as of right now, let's keep on going. My bad here. Let's reading the chat in the Discord, making sure we're all good and dandy, making sure we're all good. They're talking about writing down notes in the Discord, which is a very, very good idea. So as of right now, yeah, that looks really decent. That looks really good. We have the empty space above us. That we could end up tapping. If we end up breaking above that 192 area, I can see us just flying. So we'll just have to see with this. Doesn't look bad. Doesn't look bad at all. And yes, please do your own research. I'm not telling you guys to buy anything, so please, please do your own research. It has to get over this level. My bad, guys. I'm just looking at this chart. Just want to see if that level will break. So yes, all trades are going to look exactly the same. I like all boxes, all these charts here. We have empty space. So where there's candles with no consolidation, this is exactly what I'm targeting to the upside. And then once we break above, the empty space is what I'm targeting. So yes, once we end up like getting into position, I have to know exactly what I'm looking at, and I know what I'm targeting. Once we end up breaking above a wall, above a level, and yes, I called out Reddit. I called out Reddit puts the other day. So, and yes, we had Reddit puts the other day. I called it out. We had the empty space below us. We ended up breaking below the wall, and we targeted to the downside. So that was, it was crazy. So yeah, as you can see, we're still trying to fight this level here, so wouldn't have to need that level to end up breaking above. But yeah, let's keep on going here. Let's see. Yo, thanks for the follows. Really appreciate it. And it's just struggling to get over this level here. So yeah, this level right here, you can tell, you can see why I had this level here. So there is another box here. So we would need a clear break above this top wall there in order for us to continue into that empty space above us. But if we can't, we're just going to reject in this box. So that's why I had that line there. And no, guys, please do your own research. I'm not getting into anything. So please, you all have to do your own research, not financial advice as well. Yo, Emmy, you cracked me up with that one. That was funny. So yes, hold on one second here. Looks really decent. We just need to break over that wall there. Doesn't look bad though. So yeah, that is another 5-minute box. We're struggling to get above. All right, so NU, let's go over this one. And same exact thing here. And yes, guys, if you want to join the Discord, if you want to be a part of the team, link is in the bio. You can see we're desperately trying to break that. All right, so NU, it looks like we did end up missing this top and bottom move here. We ended up breaking below this wall, targeting into this empty space below us. But as of right now, it's just we did hit the imbalance, so I just wouldn't want to take this trade yet. Just because we already hit the imbalance. So maybe on a lower time. So yeah, I will be honest, I didn't end up missing this one. I wish I would have seen it. Had a beautiful retest. We ended up dropping below. Let's see, did a 5-minute end up? So yeah, we ended up, yeah, we would need that break. Order for that upside. Can you check out Google? Yeah, I definitely can. Honestly, hopefully Google ends up, if we can do something on Google, that would be great. You can see where, yeah, this looks really good. Not bad. Let's keep going. Let's keep going. Not me do that. Yeah, I'm still struggling to get over that level. Yeah, this is a very strong level right here. So we would just need to break above that, break and hold above that in order for us to try and go to the upside. Yo, Moneybags, what's up? What's up? How are you? Tesla reversed on me, so hold on. I'll take a look at pretty much everything as well. Hold on. 1 hour looks really good. Our seller's gonna end up taking this floor, or are we gonna continue the upside? Let's keep going here. So let's pull up Tesla. Let's see, TSLA. Let's pull that up. So not Tesla. Hold on. Google too. Google as well. Looks like we're trying. Nice break. Nice break. Let's see if we can end up breaking above there. That'd be great. Do you look for a complete candle? Dude, I already know, man. So personally, I haven't entered into anything like newly. I'm waiting for a couple good trades. It looks like we're in a little bit of some chop here. Looks like we're still struggling to get over this 5 minute anyway. So for me personally, do I look for the complete candle closure? So how I enter in, personally, I would enter into a trade. Obviously, no, I'm not saying guys to get into anything, but personally for me, I either wait for a candle body closing above and then try to get into a retest, or once I see it like closing above the wall, or holding above. So yes, like at the ending of the candle body closing. So let's just say we're on the 1 hour here and there's like 2 minutes left of the 1 hour and we're above. Then yes, I would definitely try an entry because I know it's going to close above, or we end up, if I see it holding. So if I see a play holding good, holding well, then I definitely will have a light try for sure. All right, Google. So yeah, Google, this is what I want here. So we did end up scalping this one yesterday, so this was a very good trade. Hopefully by the end of the day we can have some type of juice to end up breaking above this 173 area. So it looks really good. It looks really, really decent. It's just we are in consolidation. So yeah, I wanted to swing this one yesterday, but as you can see, we went back inside the box. So there's just nothing that I would want to do here. But yeah, it doesn't look bad though. You can see this 5 minute box right here that I just made is this is a very, 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 very strong box here. So yeah, we would need a clear break. You can see where we're struggling. So yeah, these Potter boxes, they work. You just gotta let them. So now let's keep going here. So yeah, still looks really good. It has 29 minutes before that closes. So